This is Villa Alore, a private 6-bedroom luxury villa in Seminyak, set within lush gardens. Villa Alore features 2 swimming pools and expansive outdoor areas, creating a calm escape in the heart of Seminyak Villa's living. The master bedroom opens directly to the swimming pool, offering a spacious and elegant retreat, complete with a large private bathroom and a luxurious bathtub. The perfect place to unwind and enjoy a refined stay in one of Seminyak's most inviting villas. Located at the corner of the swimming pool, Bedroom 2 offers a quiet and comfortable retreat with a sense of privacy, featuring a private bathroom and a relaxed atmosphere. We move to the first living room, a spacious and family-friendly area featuring a comfortable sofa facing a large TV, a fully equipped kitchen, and an expansive dining space. Overlooking the swimming pool, this living room is designed for families to gather, relax, and enjoy quality time together in a refined Seminyak villa setting. Bedroom 3 features twin beds, making it ideal for children or younger guests, with a comfortable layout and a private bathroom that ensures convenience, privacy, and a relaxed stay for the whole family. Villa Alore also features a private spa room located at the heart of the villa, offering a serene space where guests can enjoy spa treatments without ever leaving their Seminyak villa. We now enter Bedroom 4, a twin bedroom designed for comfort and flexibility, complete with a private bathroom that provides a relaxing and private retreat for guests during their stay at Villa Alore. We are now in the second living room, featuring a comfortable sofa, a TV area, and a kitchen with a dining space, all overlooking the second swimming pool, a relaxed and family-friendly space for spending quality time together in a private villa setting. We then enter Bedroom 5, located at the corner of the swimming pool, offering a quiet and comfortable retreat complete with a private bathroom for added privacy and relaxation. Bedroom 6 is the second master bedroom, featuring a spacious layout overlooking the swimming pool, complete with a private bathroom and a luxurious bathtub, a refined retreat designed for comfort and relaxation. Interested staying at Villa Alore? Visit villabugies.com for more details. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.